Unique Designs by Latanya, and today's Vlogmas video is going to be on the second part of decorating my dining room for Christmas. I started the first part probably about a week ago, so if you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the bottom, or go back to the Unique Designs by Tanya, and it's the very first video you will probably see on my channel. For all my new subscribers, thank you for tuning in with me and thank you for coming aboard. For all my subscribers that have been rocking with me from day one, thank you, thank you, thank you for tuning back in with me. But like I said, today tutorial is going to be on finishing up my decoration for the dining room, which you see a little bit in the background. I am standing in my living room, and I probably won't be decorating my living room this year due to I gave my husband this for a little while because he gave me the back of his man cave for my workstation, and I will have a video coming up on that soon. But today, like I said, today we're going to finish up and I'm going to show you some things that I have done in the process, DIYs. A lot of my swags are DIYs by me. Everything is done by me. I have a few things that you probably have seen in previous videos, far as vases and probably some chargers, it's some things you probably have seen in the video before. But like I said, when you doing decorating for your home, you can shop your home and change everything around to make it look different, brand new, and all that good stuff. And that's what I did. I shopped my home because I have a lot of things that I DIY. Sorry, I had DIY before, and I am bringing them back out. And I wanted the theme to be white Christmas, so you will see that in the dining room today. I need you guys to do one favor for me, and that is to push that like button, comment below, make sure you turn your notification bell on, and please subscribe to my channel. But in the meantime, I am going to turn this video around so you can see that nice dining room that I have finished and the table escape. And if you like those things, just please tune into my channel. Thank that video you just have seen. I hope it gave you some inspiration and some great ideas for your Christmas decorations for your dining room and your Christmas tree. Thank you for tuning in with me, and I appreciate every one of you guys. If you like more of these videos, please leave me a comment below. If you like to see how I did the swags and stuff, just leave me a comment, and I will surely get a video out of that. I know there's a lot of videos out of people doing swags and stuff, but I will show you my way if that's what you want to see. But until then, just make sure that you leave me a comment below. Make sure you go back and see part one of the video of how I did the Christmas tree and everything. That was part one, and some of the things that I did for the table. But I am going to show you. Well, I can't wait till the first of the year because I got a beautiful table I really, really want to do for you guys. I want you guys to see. I want to put some color in here because I'm always doing silver and white because those are my favorite color. Well, my favorite color is yellow, but I love silver and white in the house. I think it's beautiful. It's just refreshing in your home and stuff like that. But everybody have their own refreshing colors. Mine is white and silver. But until the next time, you guys, I hope you tune in and make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification button. And until the next time, you guys, I'll see you again. Love you.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated.